Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerueteams official channel. In this video tutorial, I want to teach you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge from your computers. Completely remove Microsoft Edge data and everything from Microsoft Edge on your computer. So why need you should to uninstall the Microsoft Edge? Microsoft Edge is still working just behind the background, although we are not opening. Now let's check it out, this place here. And I go to taskbar here and you will see the Microsoft Edge is still running and using your memory 25% of RAM and still working there just behind you, and that cause your computer getting lags. And we have no way to quit it, no way to uninstall, because it actually blocks to uninstall from this taskbar here, from this one. When you're gonna see this, it will show you uninstall button have been blocked. So today I'm gonna show you or teach you how to completely remove the Microsoft Edge from your computer. So now first you go to Google search and select on Y cleaner or Y uninstaller and then click here. And then you're gonna download this software. It's completely freeware. So click on download and start the download here. And then install it inside your PC. Now I'm gonna check this one here and I'll open it. And click on yes. Okay, now let's close this one. Now click on install. You have make sure that you have checked this box first. And now we see the user guide and release, and check this and then click on finish and then click yes again. Now the app is starting to open, and here is the way that you can completely remove or uninstall any software on your computer. So we focus on the Microsoft Edge, so we're gonna click that, and the file size is 150x megabytes. It's taking too much time to my file, so I'm gonna click on uninstall. Don't need to use this one because we're not gonna return to use it again. So scan for residual after installing. Okay, so you check this one and check the top box here and then click on uninstall. Well, let's try force to uninstall. Okay, now it's gonna be fail. So now we're gonna check that. Click on here and then click on force uninstall here. So now we're gonna click yes. Okay, now it is an online things and it's gonna be works now. Okay, select all everything and remove. And then click on OK. And now the Microsoft Edge is gone from your PC. And I did 5-star. I don't need to put an email. Now I'm gonna check back again. Press Windows E to find the destination folder. So now we'll go to check this software is still working or not, or everything have been lost. Now everything is gone here. It is a great work here. So now you can completely remove the Microsoft Edge folder, entire folder here. Now click on continue. Okay, now skip that. Okay, now I'm gonna check it back. Okay, it is not a problem, but the Microsoft Edge is now gone. So now I'm gonna check out the taskbar again. It's still running or not. Now everything has been gone. The Microsoft Edge is now gone and stop working on your stop working on your Windows now. So thank you for watching my video tutorial. I hope this will help you to uninstall or remove any software that you don't like to use. So thank you.